Hello everyone, coming back to the Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss topic on dictionaries. So dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? So dictionary is a collection of some components. So here dictionaries. So it is a collection of some components. Of course, not exactly, and it is like a bag and collection of some elements. Dictionary is a key value pair. Key value pair. So let us take one example. So okay, I want to declare one bag as a dictionary. So now how to declare a dictionary? How to declare? Simple. That is bag is equal to dict. This is the one way. Or the another way is bag is equal to, yeah, this is the one way. So both are same. So this is one way. So this is declaration of the empty dictionary. So like this we can declare any dictionary. Now a bag is we declared as an empty dictionary. So let us say bag contain some elements like books. So many books? Let us say 3 books are there. So some notebooks around, okay, let us take 4 notebooks. So some pens, let us say 1 pen, pencils, so okay, some 2 pencils, like this. So now print bag. So what happens? So here also you see print bag, what happens, like that. So we can see how we can declare a empty dictionary. This is the first thing. Second aspect is how we can add the different elements in the dictionary, like this. So we'll see these things in example. Just try to understand. Which will paste in our node some, yeah, just take an empty, yeah, and just paste here. Yes. Now just save it is, yeah, dict one.py. Now I'll try to execute it. Yeah, Python, yeah, dict, yeah, see, this is a, yeah, this is a empty dictionary, uh, and this is a dictionary. It's a complete all the books, notebooks, and pens and pencils. So like this we can declare anything. What happens? Just save and just run it. Yeah, like this we can print any aspect. So we should try to print this one. So instead of this, if you try to print this one, like this, books in bag. So how, what will print? It will print output is true. So like this, we'll see the output. Just give the up arrow. Yeah. See, this is the empty dictionary. This is a complete bag. This is the value of books is 3, and this is a true. So this way we can create any dictionary, and we can pass any elements in the dictionary, and we can check the what is the value of the each element of the key, and also we can check whether that element is there in that dictionary or not. So all the things we can check it, and also we can use these dictionaries for a the counting purpose, like counting all the what are the letters and the words in a file. Okay. Yeah, hope you enjoy this lecture. Yeah, thank you.